Hey, good evening. So, I want to talk to you today about your self power, your true inner power, who you are as a person. First of all, stop all that negative self talk. I hear you've been talking negative about yourself. Don't be talking negative about yourself, number one. Don't surrender your power. Don't give in to your low self esteem. Build yourself up. These are all associated with the solar plexus chakra. Solar plexus chakra is associated with your self power, your inner voice, who you are. Your throat chakra deals with your outer voice, but your solar plexus chakra deals with your inner voice and your power. It also deals with digestion. You having stomach problems? You having issues digesting food? Are you having a lot of negative self-talk? Are you critical of yourself? Yeah, I've been there. That's your solar plexus chakra saying, hey, I need balance. What do we do with it? Same thing we've been doing in all the other videos. First, we're going to keep hydrated. We're going to watch what we put in our mouths that goes down into our stomach. Excuse me. This late. But then we're going to bring it into some balance. Again, a minute. Now, just take that in. You can go back and replay this video. Go back and replay all of the videos that I've posted about energy healing and the chakras. We're going to have 2 more chakras after this video. We're going to have more sound bathing. We're going to have Sunday as our big live. We're going to be talking about energy healing. I'll do a sound bath for your energy healing. As a matter of fact, I'll tell you what, put down in the comments of this video what chakra you feel you need to work with more. What chakra you feel you need to address more. And then come into the live on Sunday and we'll address those issues. Now, are you off balance? Possibly. Do you feel that there's a specific chakra that you need to balance more of? That's fine. We'll do it. I'm here for you. I also have an offer. If you come in and you subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my content, I will make sure you get the 7 chakras cards. I have a beautiful set of the chakras, of the symptoms that shows that they're out of balance. I created those earlier this year, later last year. Excuse me. I'm tired. I'm telling you, I put in a day's work. But I worked on them for a long time just to make sure they were just right for my people. And you're my people, right? So if you go ahead and subscribe to my channel here on TikTok, I will make sure that you get those in email. They are amazing. They're an amazing tool to use. And that's just helping support this content. I will be having subscriber only events pretty soon. I just want to welcome you, bring you into our community, into our healing community, if you will, because this is a time, we are in a time where all the chakras need to be balanced. We need to be in harmony with the universe. Pythagoras once said, energy, all is energy. All is energy. That was Pythagoras. Now, tell you about a download I got tonight. Okay? I'll tell you about it later. You got to come back later to hear. If you want to hear the download I got from Spirit, you come back. But it was powerful. It was so powerful. I was doing a sound bath live here on TikTok, and I was talking to the people that were in the room, and all of a sudden, boom! I just got a download from Spirit. So I will remember what it was, and I will come back to you with it. Okay, but it was so powerful. But yeah, join me Sunday night, 4:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, right here on TikTok. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you tomorrow. Blessed be. Mwah.